Most people get this wrong. They assume Cash Ready BNPL is just another buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines installment payments with early wage access, offering a flexible way to manage short-term expenses if used responsibly. Here's how it works. Cash Ready BNPL lets you split purchases into equal installments over a few weeks or access a portion of your earned income before payday. Instead of traditional high interest, it charges a flat fee per transaction or advance. The app also includes repayment reminders, spending alerts, and optional budgeting tools to help you stay on track. The catch: overusing Cash Ready BNPL can get expensive. Fees accumulate if you rely on it frequently, and missed payments can result in account restrictions or additional charges. Tips for smart use: 1. Only split purchases or advance funds you can realistically repay. 2. Set reminders for upcoming payments to avoid penalties. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who should use Cash Ready BNPL? It's best for steady income earners who occasionally need cash for unexpected expenses or want to spread out large purchases without interest. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is weak, it could cost more than it helps. In conclusion, Cash Ready BNPL in 2026 is a useful tool for short-term financial flexibility, but only if used wisely. Treat it as a convenience, monitor fees, and stick to repayment plans. Subscribe for more reviews and practical tips to manage your money smarter.